3, and 5, 6, heel and clap. Heel, 2 kicks, sail up, turn and Lyndy. Shuffle back, prep your struts, rock coaster, half pivot, 2 wizards, quarter turn begin, heels, 2 kicks, turning, Lyndy, turn a half, shuffle back, rock back and strut it forward, rock coaster, pivot a half, wizards, quarter turn begin, heels, 2 kicks, Lyndy, forward turning back, struts, rock coaster, pivot a half, wizard, quarter turn and begin, heels, sail a half, Lyndy, turn to shuffle back, rock back and strut, forward, rock coaster, half pivot, wizard, quarter turn begin, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Quarter turn to begin. Sail up, Lyndy, shuffle back rock, struts, rock coaster, pivot a half, wizard, quarter turn begin, heels, 2 kicks, Lyndy, shuffle back and rock, strut forward, 1, 2, 3, rock coaster, half turning wizard, get ready, here we go, tag, step, turn, step, turn, step, turn, begin, we all got troubles, Lyndy, we all shuffle back, strut forward, rock coaster, pivot a half and wizard, quarter turn begin, 2 kicks, sail up, Lyndy, go forward with your shuffle half, forward struts, rock coaster, quarter turn, wizards, and get the quarter, begin, woo, Lyndy, quarter turn begin, heels, sail up, Lyndy, turn back shuffle, struts, rock coaster, half pivot, wizard, quarter turn begin, heels, kicks, Lyndy, turn and go back shuffle, strut forward, rock coaster, pivot a half, wizard. There you go. Old friends in America. Choreographed in Long Island. Long Island. By a bunch of old friends. Lyndy. Claude Gill. Johnny Montana, the doctor of dance. Some other guy named Dan Albro. I don't know what he did. So we should 8 count. This is the first 8 count. We touch that right heel forward. 1, clap 2. And 3, clap 4. Try that again. Ready? And heel. And heel. And kick left. As soon as you kick your right, slight angle left. Kick the right foot out. And then do a sailor quarter turn behind turn step. Weight on that right foot. Try it. Heel clap and kick forward, kick side, sailor quarter turn. Ready? And heel, clap, and heel, clap, and kick, sailor quarter turn right. Weights on the right. We're going to turn another quarter turn to go right into a Lyndy shuffle side rock. So turn and shuffle side together, side, rock back, right, replace. The weight is forward and left. Okay, face me over here. Let's put that together. Heel clap, and kick, sailor quarter, add a quarter into the Lyndy. Ready? In. Heel. And heel. 2 kicks. Forward, side, sailor quarter, Lyndy. Side together, side, rock, back, replace. This is our intermediate lesson. Face me over here. So, just a reminder. So if you want to think of that quarter turning sailor as a half turning sailor and get there before everybody else does, there's no line then? No, it's a line, forget that. But you can think of that sailor as a half turning sailor and go into the Lyndy. Because you're going to be facing back, right? I try to make it easy for you. Here we go. Right here. Ready, and heel. And heel. 2 kicks. Sailor, turning to face 6 o'clock, Lyndy. 1 and 2, rock back, stay right there. Now you're just putting the weight forward on your left foot. You're replacing the weight forward. You're actually going to turn a half turn, traveling towards 6 o'clock or forward, turning left and shuffling backwards. So the weight's on the left, pick up your right, turn and go backwards, side together, back. And that's sending you back towards 6 and rock back on that left and replace. Yes? Let's try that Lyndy facing this wall. So we'll do the shuffle side rock, and then we're going to turn a half turn and go back. Ready? Shuffle side. 1 and 2, rock 3, turn and go backwards. 5 and rock back. 7, 8. All right. Let's put that all together. Heel clap and heel clap. Lead with the right. 5, 6. Ready, begin. Right heel. And heel. 2 kicks. A sailor, turning and turn and shuffle side. Lyndy. 1 and rock back. Turn and shuffle backwards. 5 and rock back. 7, 8. Now that rock back 7, 8 is getting your body turning right? You're going to do 2 toe heel struts, and what's going to happen is that's going to send you into the half toe heel as you're traveling forward. 2 toe heel struts, each one with a half turn. Yes? So let's rock back on our left, replace the weight forward, and that'll get us turning right or clockwise with our 2 half turning toe heel struts. Ready, rock back left. 7, 8, half toe, heel, toe, heel. Those are toe heel struts. And then rock forward left. 5, replace 6 into a coaster. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Yes? Let's back up a little bit. We'll take it from the rock back replace. Remember that replacing on the right is going to get your body turning right for your 2 half turning toe heel struts. Ready, rock back left on 7, 8, half toe, clap, heel, rock forward, left, replace, coaster, step. And there are claps as you drop in that heel, right? So it's toe, clap, rock, replace, and a coaster, step. Let's just try it from the top and see what happens. Heel clap and hip clap and kick, sailor, half turn into a Lyndy. Ready, and right heel, and heel. 2 kicks, sailor, turning, face 6 o'clock with your Lyndy. 1 and rock back. Turn and shuffle backwards, then rock back left. Toe heel struts, turning halves. 1, 2. Rock forward left and a coaster step. Well, that wasn't bad for the first time. 5, 6. Do it again. Heel. 1 and 3. 2 kicks. Sailor, turning into a Lyndy. 1 and 2. Turn, shuffle back. Rock back, toe, heel struts forward. Toe, heel, toe, rock forward in a coaster step. 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and kick. Kick, sailor, turning, Lyndy. 1 and 2. Turn and shuffle back. Rock back, toe, heel struts, turning right, toe. Heel, toe, rock forward in a coaster step. Ooh, sounds good. We're going to do a step half pivot and go into 2 wizard steps. Forward, behind, and forward, behind. We're going to step forward right 1, pivot a half, turn 2, weights forward and left. We're going to do 2 wizards, forward, behind, and forward, behind. So step forward, 3 behind, 4 and forward, 5 behind, 6, and weights on the left. Finish the dance with a step quarter pivot. Step forward right 7, quarter pivot, right heel up 8. Ready to tap that right heel forward and stop the dance over again. Face may come forward. Let's try that again. So we do our step half pivot, 2 wizards, and a quarter pivot turn. Ready with the right. Step 1, turn 2, wizard 3 behind, 4 and 5 behind, 6 and step quarter, turn right heel and heel. You stop the dance over again. All right, come forward. No restarts. And heels to begin. Heel, 2 kicks, sailor turning, face me, do a Lyndy, chop, 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 turn and shuffle back, rock back toe struts going forward, turning 1, 2, rock forward coaster, 5, 6, 7, pivot a half, 2 wizard steps, 3, 4, and 5, pivot a quarter, heels and claps, heel, 2 kicks, sailor turning, face me, Lyndy, 1 and 2, turn and shuffle back, rock back and turning struts, toe, heel, toe, rock coaster, pivot a half, wizard, 3, 4 and quarter, turn and stop right here. All right, so this is the wall. We're going to add an easy tag. So the easy variation, stand here, do nothing, count to 16. The tag that's on the paperwork is just a bunch of step, hold, quarter, pivot, holds. The music's going to go away for 16 counts. So we get really, really quiet. So you step forward right, hold, quarter, turn. You can snap your fingers if you want. Step, quarter, turn. Step forward, quarter, turn. Step forward, quarter, turn. Restart. Does that count as a restart? See, to me, a restart's in between the 32 counts. You've been to tag. You're ready. So let's try that tag. Step, hold, step, hold with the right. Ready, in. Step right, snap your fingers, quarter, turn. Step forward, quarter, turn. Step forward, quarter, turn. Step forward. Begin, heel clap. Heel, and kick. Sailor turn, Lyndy shuffle. 1 and 2. Rock back, turn, shuffle back. Rock and strut forward, turning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock poster, and then pivot a half. Wizards. 3, 4, and quarter pivot turn. Now, if you learn it any better than that, it's not going to be as much fun.